Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be doing a review and tutorial on the new Morphe Contour. I was about to say Morphe Contour and Highlight. The Morphe Contour and Highlight palette. Now, I will be doing a tutorial and review on the 8H. There's two palettes for these, the 8L and the 8H. I'm sure it's 8L and 8H. This one is for more medium to dark skin tones, and this one is the Hi-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer. That's what it's called here. Now first, I don't know how, I've done my face, I've done my base, done my eyes quickly as well. I don't know how I'm feeling about this concealer under my eyes. I feel like it's went really weird and patchy. Doesn't look right to me, but we'll go with it. As soon as I seen this, I seen Laura Lee using this palette, and I was like, okay, I need to try this. And as always, you know what I'm like, I always need to try things, so I always get it and I always try it and I always show you guys. So that's how it works. Firstly, this palette arrived yesterday, and you'd think it would like arrive in like maybe a box or like a small parcel bag. I need to show you what this tiny little package, what this arrived in. So as you would think, it had bubble wrap around it, which has now burst and it's now not bubble wrap anymore, so yep, that was around it. Next, this is the bag that this palette came in. Like, I'm not kidding you guys. It's huge. I could literally fit inside this bag. I don't know what need they thought to put it in such a large bag, but I'm just going to think of it as they were trying to protect my parcel. So I appreciate that a lot. So thank you, Hermes, and thank you, Morphe, because my palette arrived safely, unbroken, perfectly packaged, with a huge bag, and I was extremely happy with it. So this is the palette itself. It comes with a huge mirror. Hello. And then it comes with these 4 contour shades and these 4 highlight shades. Girl, just take a look at this palette. Like, there's 4 different contour shades. Okay, so we've got lightest shades, lightest, just a touch darker than the lightest, and then we have a little bit deeper, and then this is like a lot deeper, but I feel like this is more of an orange undertone, whereas these ones are more neutral. Let me look at it properly actually. The first one is neutral, second one is a more warm tone. I think that, in fact no, the first one's neutral, the second one is a more yellow tone, the third one is warm toned, and the last one is more orange undertoned, but all for medium to dark skin. I don't actually know what one I'm going to go in with. I think I'm going to try the second shade. I'm going to go in with Debutante, if that's how you say it. It's very, very, very pigmented. I literally dabbed on the tiniest bit and so much went on. It's blending in really nicely though, that looks really nice on. Okay, I'm definitely liking how that's looking. I'm loving the effect that it's given there. I have done this side a little bit more subtle, because I kind of went a bit extreme on that side. I didn't realise it was going to be that pigmented. But as you can see from me doing that, you can like go extreme, make it so defined and look really sharp, or you can go quite subtle and still have a contour but looking quite subtle and not like too sharp or in your face. Just gonna... I'm gonna go in and do my nose as well. I'm trying like so hard not to put too much. Like I'm literally dabbing it in like that, and it's so pigmented. Okay, so far so good. I'm really liking how this contour palette is performing. It's really powdery. It's not too like... It blends well, so when you put it on, it doesn't stick to your face and like leave just a big dot there. It really does blend well. Like here, I put quite a bit on, but it's blended out really, really nicely. And I feel like I could even go ahead and just blend it out more as well, and it would like soften it up more. Whereas this side is a little bit lighter. But no, I'm really liking how it looks. I've done my forehead, I've done my nose as well. Now I'm on to the highlight part. So for me, the highlighting part is just the most exciting part, okay? We have these 4 beautiful highlight shades. They are literally beautiful. So we've got Beam, Mirage, Big Bang, and Venus. I'm just going to swatch them quickly. They look so pigmented, they're so nice. I think I like this shade the most so far, even though I haven't even tried it on my face yet. Okay, so the highlights. We are going to... I think I want to use... Don't know how it's going to work using all 4. Okay, I think I want to use this shade, which is Mirage, on my cheekbone. So, I'm going to dip into that there. Okay. I really like how that is like sitting there. Look at that. Look at that highlight. No highlight. Highlight. That literally looks beautiful. I'm going to try Beam on my fingers, and I'm going to just put it on my nose. Okay. Let me try soften this out. Nose highlight on fleek. Now I'm really tempted to try this gold, but I've tried golds before and I just never know how they work for me. It's this shade here. So this one's called Big Bang. We're just going to try it. Okay. Again, that looks insane. I just don't think gold works for my skin tone, but the pigment in this palette is literally beautiful. Look how nice that looks. It is so nice on, but gold's just not my colour. So I'm going to go back in with Beam on top of that. Oh! Guys, do you see that? Okay, that is like insane pigment. Last shade is called Venus. I need to try it. I'm going to grab a shader brush. I'm going to go into this shade here. Oh, and I'm literally just going to put it above. Okay, that is beautiful. I feel like I'm bronzed up to the max right now. I'm like glowing. I'm going to quickly go away, finish my eyes, do my lips, and come back. This highlighter has literally wowed me quite a lot. Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, I will be back. Hey guys, so I'm back with the finishing look. I've just added some lashes. I don't know why I'm out of breath. I literally feel like putting lashes on is so much effort, and like, it literally, It leaves me out of breath sometimes. Okay, I've just added some lashes, done my lips, and that's pretty much it. I don't really know what much else I can say about this palette. Like, I think you've seen it for yourself, but personally, I quite like this palette. I feel like the contour shades are perfect. They're perfect for medium to dark skin tones. I think maybe some of them could be a little bit deeper for darker skin tones. For me, it works well, but for darker skin tones, I do feel like there needs to be some slightly darker shades, because I don't know if these are dark enough, but for me, they work for me. The highlights, I feel like I'm more impressed with the highlighters than what I am with the contour. The highlight is literally like blinding. It looks amazing. I love it. So overall, yeah, I do like the palette. It retails for £25, which personally I think is quite reasonable, because you get 4 contour shades and you get 4 highlights. Highlighters can be like £25 just for one highlighter, so the fact that you're getting 4 highlighters in one palette, I think is a pretty good price. Let me know what you thought of this palette as well in the comment section below. Don't get blinded by the highlights. I hope you've enjoyed this video, so I want you to comment, like and subscribe, and I will see you for another video.